Because the car has failed MOT on CO emission on fast idle, we're going to replace the catalyst converter. To replace the catalyst converter, we need to remove the front bumper first, and then we're going to remove the cat. So let's start to remove the bumper first. To remove the bumper on the top, we need to remove this screw, that screw, and that screw. They are 10 millimeters. So there the screw is a little bit rusted. On the top of the bumper, we also have a clip over here. We need to remove it. Just use a screwdriver into that slot. Try to wiggle it out. It's coming out. So that's the clip. So you try to pull the middle part first, and then you can pull the whole unit out from that hole. At the bottom of the bumper, we also have 5 screws we need to remove. So one on the end, there are 2 screws over here, but it is the inside this one, and that one for fixing some other part of this part. So remove this inner part, this one, that one, and also there's the one in the middle. It's here. So on the other side there are also 2. So it's very asymmetric. So just remove this 5 screws from the bottom of the bumper. And these 5 also 10 millimeters. Now I have removed all the 5 screws, and as you can see that the side one, so both sides, is longer, and in the middle 3 that's shorter. So remember this when you put everything back. And each side of the wheel arc we have another screw and a clip. So we need to remove the screw, or partially remove the screw, and then remove the clip under the screw. It seems the screw is loose and not moving out. So now you can see I have tried to use this small screwdriver just to prise out this middle screw while I was turning it anti-clockwise. So now the screw nearly out. So that's the screw. Now we can try to remove the clip. Okay, that's the clip. So now we can see the clip and the screw. And actually the clip is a plastic and the screw is also plastic. However, at the right hand side, it is not a screw and a clip. It is something like a zinc coated metal thing. So maybe someone had changed it to this. I will try to remove this. I just pried it out. It's I think it's a rivet. Somebody used a rivet on this side of the bumper, that hole. Maybe the clip lost and then somebody used a rivet to do the job. Okay, anyway, I removed the rivet just using the screwdriver. So the end of the bumper, there's some clips. So we need to just try, be carefully remove from the clips. Now have a pull off the bumper. So you can see there's a bracket here and there's some clips here. And also there's a clip here. There's a clip from the other side, from inside of the front bumper. So that's how you pull it out. So just pull it outward and then they will disengage. And when you install, I think they just like this one, just the clip into the position to the side. There's some holes over there. So do the same to the other side. So this side there was less resistant than the other side. They just clip it out. So the clips over here, and there are the clips over here, and on the top, I think this one will hold the top of the bumper as well. So now after both sides of the bumper unclipped from the body, and we can try to remove the front bumper. The bumper, there's like this is the metal post over here, so it's just holding or positioning the front bumper. So here, and on this side there's another here, so we just unclip, move it on the top. And here, I think, so we can remove the bumper, the bottom still holding a little bit. I will remove it with the two hands. So here you can see the front bumper removed. It's relatively easy. Just push, shake a little bit at the bottom, and it just out. Here you can see this looks like metal, but actually is plastic. When I removed the front bumper, and I found this dropped out from just from here, and I tried to figure out where should it be, and then I found it's assembled here. So you see, on each headlight there are two of these, and on the other side there are two. So if same thing happened to you, so you just put it over there under the headlight. Okay, I found just the two holes. There's the hole here, and there's the hole over here. So we just put this two clip into that two hole and push it up. Yeah, I have got into the two holes. It seems okay, but it's different from this one. And also if you look at the right hand side, that's two the same. And this left hand side, that's the same as the right hand side, but this is different. Maybe maybe okay. So it's different parts from that one, but it can still hold, hopefully, the bumper. After remove the bumper, I also found from here, so there's a piece of plastic. And this side is broken. And here there's something get into something. And on here I found another piece. Yes, maybe this piece is broken off from here, but not too sure. Oh, I will try to figure out. So now I know this piece is supposed to be here. So that's the leg plug into a hole over there. And then the bottom there's a broken piece. And I remove the piece, and this should be against this condenser of the air conditioning. So that should be about it. And this broken piece should be like this. So holding here. Yeah, it's broken. Maybe it's okay without it. I guess there could be an accident at the front end and broke this off and push this the bumper a little bit in. So that's maybe why it's broke.